when we had the lockdown, government and partners initiated a lot of learning processes and prospects. We talked about radio programming, we talked about distribution of learning material, and many others. So we were wondering, were the girls actually able to learn? Did they receive the materials that were circulated?
The findings are alarming. The findings are really worrying a lot. For instance, little did we know that the worst affected age group would be 10 to 14. In our society, 10 to 14, girls aged 10 to 14, those in primary, 5 primary, 6 upper primary level. I think in addressing this matter, it would be very, very important that the government recognize that this young girl should go back to school, they should be retained in school, and they should be accepted by all means in the schools where they have been studying.
That there's already a policy in place that requires girls, or that supports girls that have given birth after school, that have given birth during school, to go back to school and complete what? Their education. So I think for me, this will be a key message to parents, especially for these girls that have gotten pregnant during this lockdown. If the girls are still interested in education, I think they should talk to the schools to take them back so that they can be able to complete their education. And this is something we should also follow up on as members of parliament.
Depending on the age, because our constitution allows a child who is 16 to work to get some employment, supervised employment. But now when it comes to young ones who are below 16, then I think government must come out and do a lot of sensitization, even discourage these organizations that are already recruiting children into there. Of course, children offer cheap labor, so people will take advantage.